Hello and welcome everyone to Diecast Beast YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a Tomica limited vintage model, another one. So this is Prince SKYLINE 1900 DX. As you all know, Tomica limited vintage is about scale. So uh, this is a true 1:64 scale model. I can guarantee that one. And again, they don't release models like such as Hot Wheels and Matchbox, not in every not like boxes. They release their batches monthly. uh, you can pre-order stuff from the third-party sellers or buy online or eBay, Amazon websites. I usually buy these ones from Japan Boost. I bought this one from Japan Boost as well. I'll share the link down below. So when you buy stuff from Japan Booster, you get this hard plastic cover as well. I think that's for free. And if you buy more than $50, you get free postage. How cool is that one? And it's very easy to spend $50 in these models because these ones are a bit expensive than Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars. Obviously, sometimes it's expensive than Tarmac Works or Kyosho models because these ones have highly details than any other models in the world. So let's open this one. Yeah, just neglect the video, your audio sound from the background. I just put that one because I like to listen to the instrumental videos, audios. So there you go, this is the packaging. Tomica limited vintage. So this is not a Neo one is like a bit newer version. So this one is before 60s, before 70s, I guess. So check this out. This one is I guess a police car. Yeah. So this one is a red. This is the model. This is the paint artwork. And this side you can see LV57A Prince SKYLINE DX and the color scheme, red color. So LV57A is the first release of this particular model from Tomica Limited Vintage. If you guys see B, C, O, D, that means second, third, and fourth releases. So, and these models are a bit expensive, so I usually buy one particular model from each casting. But if I love stuff just like Mazda RX-7, I bought all the color variations. But otherwise, I usually buy one from each model. All right, let's open this one. Check this out. And another thing is, if you buy stuff from Japan Booster, you get the model with this plastic car. I think he put this one. I'm not sure, but because I bought stuff from the other sellers and I didn't get this plastic packaging. So I guess this is a Japan Boost thing. Anyways, oops, sorry guys. Let's see the casting. This is a red color model, and you can see it is tiny. So because this one is true 1:64 scale model. So yeah, check this out. Wow, I was a bit speechless for a second because this one is very lovely with this cherry red color. Check this out, check the details. Whoa. All right, check this out. On sides you have these silver color trims going on and some Japanese words. I guess this is a police one, fire brigade stuff or police one, I don't know. So check this out. Here's the horn, siren, I guess. And check the details in front. Check that front grille. front grille and all the details, headlights, Prince Skyline logo. So that one was the Prince Skyline logo. Wow, cool. And insides again, silver trimmed windows. Wow, beautiful. Check the wheels. So wheels are exactly same as the original car. So that's the specialty in with Tomica Limited Vintage. They have all the licensed models plus licensed wheel sets as well. And check the rear. Check the rear. All right, check this one. You got all these tail light details, rear grille, and this chrome bumper. And check the Prince logo. It says Prince and Prince Skyline logo here, and it says 1900. It's a very tiny details. I'm not sure that you can see properly. Anyways, check this out, and if you guys can see, check the interior. Everything is detailed. In here you can see beige color seats. Wow, and blackish steering wheel and stuff. Oh, very nice. Very nice car. All right, I'll keep this one here. Check this out. Check this out. All right, as usual, I'll talk about I'll tell some details about the original car. So this is the Prince Skyline. So the first Skyline was introduced on 24th April 1957. Whoa, that's a long time back at the Takarazuka Theater. I guess I spelled that name correctly. Takarazuka Theater in Tokyo. This one was produced for Fuji Precision Industries, and it was marked as a luxury car. In nowadays, if you guys hear about something about the Skylines, everything is about sporty models, but this one was marketed as a luxury car, and it featured 1.5 liter engine, GA30 engine, also known as FG4A30, and it was producing 44 kilowatts at 4,400 RPM, which was previously used in prototype Subaru 1500. That was the Subaru's first car, and this car was capable of, guess what, the speed 140 kilometers per hour back in 1957. And Skylines were produced as 4-door sedans back in those days, and 5-door state wagons as well. And production of this model was done between 1957 to 1964, and nearly 34,000 units were sold worldwide back in those days. How cool is that? Yes, and this is the Prince Skyline for you, and it rolls. How cool is that? And it rolls. Nice stuff. So that's it from the center. I will take some photos of this one and post it in my Instagram page. If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, please visit Diecast Beast Instagram page and hit thumbs up button over there and hit subscribe as well. So if you guys have any further details about this casting, please share with me, comment below, comment on my Instagram page. So I like to share all the details. I don't know when this was released by Tomica. I have no idea. It says 2007 Tommy. I think that's the licensed year. I'm not sure. So if you guys know stuff, please let me know. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Bye.